Welcome to DFM Rapid, your premier destination for CNC Aluminum rapid prototyping solutions. We pride ourselves on precision, accuracy, and speed. Our advanced CNC machinery allows us to produce intricate and complex designs with unparalleled accuracy. Our team of experts utilizes the latest 3D design software to create detailed and precise prototypes. By using this technology, we're able to take your designs from concept to reality quickly and efficiently. Our CNC aluminum rapid prototyping process results in high-quality finished parts that meet or exceed your specifications. We use only the highest quality materials to ensure durability, strength, and longevity. Our team of skilled technicians carefully and meticulously inspects each part to ensure that it meets our rigorous standards for quality and precision. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and our quality assurance process ensures that your parts meet your exact specifications every time. Our customers consistently reiterate the value and quality of our CNC aluminum rapid prototyping services. We're proud to serve clients across a range of industries, from electronics to robotics, and everything in between. By utilizing our services, our customers are able to bring their ideas to life quickly and cost-effectively. At DFM Rapid, our team of experts is dedicated to delivering results that exceed your expectations. From start to finish, we prioritize clear communication, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. Thank you for considering DFM Rapid for your CNC aluminum rapid prototyping needs. We're confident that our advanced technology and unparalleled expertise will help bring your ideas to life. Contact us today to learn more about our services and get started on your next project.